My name is Polo from Polo Fields Lawn Service, based here in Louisville, Kentucky, and I normally will use the 50-pound Ergo Pro. So I've had this spreader here for an equivalent of 3 to 4 years, I would say, and this here, straight up blooper. Forgive the truck. So I've had this spreader here for 4 years now, and I tell you what, I am super happy that I purchased it because it saves me so much time. Whenever I'm using a granular fertilizer, what it's going to do for the lawn is it's going to turn the lawn money green. I'm using a granular fertilizer. All of the fertilizers are going to be different sizes. So the accuracy on this Spyker spreader here is going to give you a wide band so that, for one, when you're putting your spreader down, you're not in your lawn for a long time. This right here, as far as a contractor, will let me be able to get the job done quickly. This here can spread equivalent to 12 feet wide versus some of the regular spreaders, which is not going to spread even 6 foot wide. And the good thing about it is, if you are a contractor, you're not going to be on people's lawns long. You can be able to pull up, get out, put the product into your spreader, and it doesn't matter just because you're walking, the way that it's going to spread, you will be amazed. Do a couple of swipes because you're going to get that 12-foot width, and then you can go on to the next project. So you're definitely going to save time, you're definitely going to save energy, and it's going to be less on your body because you're doing less walking. Now, I did have a property where the bee wants to come around me. I did have a property where this hill was extremely steep and it fell over. But the good thing about it is my product didn't fall all out into the lawn and burn the lawn because I had the cover on it. But the thing that I'm going to graduate in doing is using the bag spreader now. So this was the first time that I used the bag spreader. Now this bag spreader here is something that is a game changer. You can be able to sit it on your side. You have a strap where you can be able to rest on you so you're not carrying all of that weight. And as far as the coverage, you can walk across your landscape just one time with one swipe and you will be able to get your whole entire product down. Today what I use is a product that is pre-emergent and it's called Snapshot. Normally you will put that product down in your mulch beds, or if you have rock like lava rock, pebble rock, and what it basically will do is it will get water in, whether you water it in or it get rained on, and it will prevent weeds from growing into your landscaping beds. So the main thing that you want to do whenever you are putting something down is you want to make sure that you measure your product first so that you do not over apply. But the neat thing about the bag spreader is the dial that you have on the front of it, that there can be able to gauge how much that you're actually putting out. And let me tell you this, as far as the product that I was spreading into the mulch, money. So having the dial is going to help you to be able to save money and not waste material and not over apply the product that you're putting into your landscaping beds or around your trees, or if you're putting it around a mailbox. So this Spyker spreader here, the handheld spreader, it's my first time using this, and I tell you what, I'm going to use this thing much more frequently. The advantage to using a handheld spreader is you can be able to walk behind bushes. If you need to get in between those bushes, you can be able to use it as well. And if you need to get under the bushes, you can be able to stick the handheld spreader under the bush and maneuver it that way. So this handheld will be a great addition to your lawn, and it does not matter if you are a homeowner or if you are a contractor. The reason why is because you can be able to get into tight spaces. So using the Spyker products, I'm gonna tell you right now, you have several products that you can be able to use. Everything will be able to work for any type of job. It doesn't matter if you're working on a lawn that is 22,000 square feet or if you're working on a lawn that is 2,000 square feet. Any of these spreaders will be able to work. I like the 50-pound spreader, and if you're using any of the bag spreaders or the hand spreader for your landscaping, you can easily be able to get the job done, get on it, get off it, and enjoy the rest of the time with your family. Let's just get to the bottom line. If you want your lawn money green, you better join the Spyker team.